Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to download Roblox Studio on iPhone. Unfortunately, Roblox Studio isn't available as an app on iPhone or iPad. It's a desktop-only tool built for Windows, PC and macOS because it requires advanced hardware and software capabilities like complex scripting, 3D modeling, and real-time testing that mobile device simply can't handle yet. Even though you can't use Roblox Studio itself, you can still work on Roblox projects from your phone, plan your games, design assets by using the art apps like iOS, Paint X, Procreate Pocket or Canva. Also watch Roblox development tutorials on YouTube or explore the forum discussions to improve your scripting and design details. Also, you can play Roblox games on your iPhone to analyze what makes them engaging, perfect research for your future creation. And once you get access to a PC or Mac, you can bring all your ideas to life in Roblox Studio and publish your game in the Roblox platform. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to unblock people on Instagram. First thing first, open the Instagram app on your device. Click on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on the three horizontal lines. Go to Blocked and you will find the account that you have blocked on Instagram. All you have to do is press the unblock button to be able to unblock the person. And if you want to follow them again, you need to follow them because when you block them, you won't follow each other again. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.